What if a house wasn't built, but printed? Layer by layer, a dream takes shape. No noise, no waste, just precision. This is not science fiction. This is a 3D printed house. Stronger walls, smarter design, built in days, not months. Less material, less cost, more sustainability. Every curve is intentional. Every line is engineered for the future. This is where technology meets humanity, where innovation becomes a home, not just a structure, a statement. Because the future of living isn't waiting to be built, it's already being printed. Behind every comfortable space, there is something you don't see. Protection from heat, silence from noise, strength against time. This is Alpore insulation materials, engineered to keep buildings cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and quieter every day. High performance, long-lasting durability, smart energy efficiency. Whether it's a home, an office, or an industrial space, Alpore works silently. So comfort speaks loudly. Because real quality isn't visible, it's felt. Alpore insulation materials, building comfort, preserving energy, trusted for the future. Stone has always symbolized strength, timeless beauty, lasting impressions. Now imagine that elegance without the weight. Introducing Alseco Stone Effect, a refined stone finish that transforms ordinary walls into architectural statements. Natural texture, rich depth, crafted for modern design. Lightweight, durable, weather-resistant. Perfect for homes, commercial spaces, and contemporary facades. It's not just a surface, it's character, it's style, it's confidence. Alseco Stone Effect, the look of stone, the freedom of modern design. Is your concrete looking old, cracked, and tired? Like New Concrete Restoration Kit brings your concrete back to life, fast. Everything you need is included. Repair compounds, sealing formula, and step-by-step instructions. Simply mix, apply, and smooth. It's easy, even for beginners. Within minutes, your concrete looks like new, stronger, cleaner, and protected. And the best part? It lasts, protecting against cracks, stains, and wear. Restore your concrete the smart way. Like New Concrete Restoration Kit, your concrete renewed. In every project, the difference between good and perfect is the tools you choose. Meet Fonolamix, the brand that brings precision, power, and reliability to every mix. Designed for professionals who demand consistency every single time. With advanced mixing technology, you get a uniform, flawless result, fast. Whether it's plaster, mortar, or adhesives, Fonolamix handles it all. And cleaning is simple, because downtime is not an option. Power, precision, performance, built to last. Fonolamix, the choice of professionals. Is your home in Penza feeling cold in winter and too hot in summer? The problem is often in the attic, where heat escapes and cold enters. Attic insulation in Penza is the fastest way to make your home comfortable and energy efficient. Our team installs high-quality insulation, sealing every gap and creating a strong thermal barrier. After insulation, heat stays inside the house, reducing energy loss and lowering your bills. You'll feel warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and more comfortable all year round. Attic insulation in Penza. Keep your home cozy, save energy, and enjoy a healthier living space. In modern construction, speed and strength are everything. Introducing Emedu Single Pane, the lightweight, high-performance wall system designed for fast building. With a single solid panel, installation is faster and simpler than traditional methods. It reduces labor time, reduces waste, and improves site efficiency. Despite its light weight, Emedu Single Pane offers excellent strength and durability. And with built-in thermal performance, it helps keep buildings comfortable and energy efficient. Smooth, stable, and ready for any finish, from plaster to paint. Every space has a story, but some walls are waiting to be heard. Introducing Geo Panel Art, a modern geometric wall system that transforms any room into a masterpiece. Installation is fast, clean, and precise. With simple tools and a smart system, each panel clicks into place perfectly. The result? A stunning 3D effect, depth and texture, without the heavy construction. Geo Panel Art creates a dynamic look that changes with light and perspective. From dull to dramatic in just a few hours. Geo Panel Art, install the future of interior design. Looking for privacy, style, and security in one solution? Introducing Simply Secure Glass Block Windows, the smart way to upgrade your space. Installation is fast and precise. First, we measure and prepare the frame. Each glass block is set with strong mortar and aligned carefully for a perfect finish. Layer by layer, the window becomes a solid, secure structure. And we seal every edge to ensure durability, weather resistance, and long-lasting strength. The result is a beautiful, light-filled window that keeps your privacy intact. Simply Secure Glass Block Windows, secure, stylish, and timeless. Concrete looks strong, But real strength is hidden inside. Introducing Helix Micro Rebar, a next-generation concrete reinforcement that replaces traditional rebar and mesh. Millions of tiny steel fibers, engineered in a helical shape, spread evenly throughout the concrete. No cutting, no tying, no rust-prone bars. The result? Stronger concrete, better crack control, higher durability. Helix Micro Rebar increases flexural strength, impact resistance, and long-term performance, all while reducing labor time and construction costs. From industrial floors to highways, slabs, and foundations, Helix delivers strength from every direction. Because modern construction doesn't need more steel, it needs smarter steel. Helix Micro Rebar, reinforcement redefined. Light is usually free. It travels, reflects, disappears. But here, light is imprisoned in clay, shaped by hand, fired by time, and finished with care. Each piece carries the soul of Venetian craftsmanship. Raw earth transforms into a surface that captures light, holds it, and lets it breathe softly into the space. Not loud, not harsh, just a warm, living glow. Every curve tells a story. Every reflection feels intentional. This is not just illumination, it is emotion, sculpted. Where tradition meets design, where material becomes magic. Lucri Venetsani, light imprisoned in clay. Every structure moves, expands, contracts, breathes with time. That's why it needs more than a sealant. It needs flexibility you can trust. Introducing Mateflex MS45, a high-performance hybrid sealant and adhesive engineered for durability and movement. Strong adhesion on concrete, metal, glass, ceramic, and wood, even on damp surfaces. No primer, no compromise. Mateflex MS45 absorbs vibrations, resists weathering, and maintains elasticity over time, indoors or outdoors. Paintable, solvent-free, and built to last, it seals joints, bonds materials, and protects structures from stress and cracking. From facades to floors, from joints to details, Mateflex MS45 moves when your structure moves. Because long-lasting construction starts with smart flexibility. Precision matters, especially on the road. In Maasdam, the Road Printer Eco delivers fast, accurate road markings with minimal disruption. One compact machine, one smooth operation. Designed for efficiency, the Road Printer Eco applies markings cleanly and consistently. Reducing material waste and lowering emissions. Quiet, eco-friendly, and highly precise, it's ideal for restraighting and renewing road surfaces without slowing the city down. From lines to symbols, every mark is sharp, durable, and perfectly aligned. Smarter technology, cleaner streets, better results. When precision meets power, results speak for themselves. Introducing the Rokamat Piranha cutter, engineered for clean, fast, and effortless cutting. Designed for insulation boards, mineral wool, foam, and soft building materials, the Piranha delivers smooth, accurate cuts every time, without tearing or dust. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to control, it reduces fatigue and boosts productivity on site. No sparks, no mess, just sharp performance where it matters most. From facades to interiors, from renovation to new construction, the Piranha adapts to your workflow. Because professionals don't just cut materials, they cut time, waste, and effort. Rokamat Piranha Cutter. Bite into precision. A roof is no longer just protection, it's power. Introducing Solar Stone, Solar Full Roof, where architecture and energy become one. Seamlessly integrated solar tiles replace traditional roofing, turning your entire roof into a clean energy source without compromising design. No bulky panels, no visual clutter, just a sleek, unified surface that captures sunlight from edge to edge. Built for durability, weather resistance, and long-term performance, Solar Stone delivers reliable energy while enhancing the value of your home. From modern villas to large-scale developments, Solar Full Roof is smart, sustainable, and future-ready. Because the best energy solutions don't sit on your roof, they are your roof. A stronger home starts with a smarter shell. Introducing Zip System Sheathing, structural panels with a built-in air and water barrier. No house wrap, no extra steps, just one integrated system that seals tighter and installs faster. With advanced seam sealing, Zip creates a durable, weather-tight envelope that protects against air leaks and moisture. Stronger walls, better energy efficiency, long-term performance you can trust. Build faster, build tighter. Zip System Sheathing, the smarter way to build. Want a beautiful brick facade without heavy construction? Meet flexible Regal brick, the modern solution for quick, stylish cladding. This flexible brick is lightweight, durable, and easy to install, giving you the real brick look in hours, not days. Perfect for homes, offices, and renovations. Always prepare a smooth, clean surface before applying. This ensures a perfect finish and strong adhesion. Use a level and straight guides to keep every row aligned. The secret to a natural brick look is precision. Seal the joints properly to protect against moisture and maintain the color for years. Flexible Regal brick, easy, fast, and stunning. For a flawless brick facade, trust the expert.